Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I thought I'd share one of my go-to recipes for chicken noodle soup. And in this particular recipe, I'll be using roasted chicken. And I did roast my chicken off camera, but I will definitely leave the full recipe in the description box if anyone is interested. So to start, I chop up 1 onion, 3 carrots, 3 stalks of celery, and 3 cloves of garlic. Once you have your veggies chopped up, you're going to go ahead and saute them in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any oil of your choice and season with salt and pepper. After your veggies have been sauteing for about 5 minutes, you'll go ahead and add 8 cups of water or stock. I'm adding 8 cups of water, and I'm also adding a seasoned vegetable base. Again, this is what I use in my soup. Don't feel obligated to use this. You can use water if you like, or you can simply just use chicken stock. After I add in my vegetable base, then I'll go ahead and add in my fresh herbs to the soup, which consists of some fresh thyme, bay leaves, and black peppercorns. Once the soup has been simmering for about 30 minutes, I'll go ahead and see if I need to recheck my seasoning, see if I need to add any additional water at this point, and then I'll go ahead and add in my noodles, and you can use any noodles you like. So I'm just gonna remove the skin from the roasted chicken and then dice the chicken up into bite-sized pieces. Again, you don't have to use roasted chicken. I just happen to really love the flavor of the roasted chicken and the soup. So I'll just dice all the chicken up and then add it to the soup. Alright, so the last thing you'll do is just add in your diced chicken and give your soup a good stir. And the soup is pretty much done at this point. Now you can always top it off with some fresh herbs, like some fresh parsley if you like, maybe even a little lemon zest. But that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment down below and give me a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.